All right, we are going to do a flip cup on an 8x10 canvas using some of our colors that we had left over from another pour. We are also going to add just a few extra colors. We're going to do Ice Blue by Folk Art. Which is metallic, by the way. I do a 2-to-1 ratio Floetrol to paint. And then I add water as needed to get to that warm honey consistency. We're also going to use bright aqua green because it's pretty and I like it. So we're going to have cobalt blue, we're going to have bright aqua green, we're going to have ice blue metallic, and primary yellow, apricot, what else? You know what we haven't used for a while that I'd like to, let's do the ultramarine in there as well. I don't know how that's going to go with that apricot, but we're going to try it anyways. Because I'm feeling funky. Oops. Okay. If you can't go a little crazy with your colors, what's the fun? So we have the bright aqua green by Liquitex Basics. We have the ice blue metallic from Folk Art. We have primary yellow from Simply Acrylic. We have the ultramarine, which is also Simply Acrylic, right? Yeah. Oh no, System 3 Acrylic, I'm sorry. Same company that does Simply Acrylic, so. We have the metallic leaf green by Artist Loft. We have the apricot from Apple Barrel. And then we have the cobalt blue, also from Apple Barrel. And then our white, I don't have much left in here, but our white is Artist Loft. So let's grab a cup and get mixing. Let's start with the ultramarine, some ice blue, some yellow, leaf green, apricot, bright aqua green, cobalt, some white. Honestly, it sounds like somebody's upstairs with my husband. That concerns me. There shouldn't be anybody up there with him besides my son, who's definitely not in the living room talking to him. I'm going to have to pause you and go see what's going on. Sorry about that. Turns out it was my husband in my son's room, and it was just, they were really loud. I don't know. I guess I've never heard them in there before. So, a little more white. So yes, my last painting was a Dutch pour. I did have to scrape the first time I did it and re-pour on it, which is why I have such a mess down here. And these are the leftover colors from that, with the exception of that aquamarine that I just added. So let's see. Give this a moment. All right. Let me torch this real quick. I always love the inside of the cups. They're so pretty. Okay. Lots of tiny little cells in here. Of course, they won't be tiny little cells for long, but okay. Go. Touch up my sides real quick. wipe my hands and then we'll torch again, and then I will bring you in for a close-up. Okay, here it is. It's almost like we have a combination of outer space and dragon scales, as my husband calls them. The green is very pretty. That apricot almost looks gold, which is good. I was going to put gold in it and figured I had enough colors. So there it is. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below, and if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever we upload new videos. Thanks. Have a great weekend. Bye.